Sum number 4, exercise 10.4. Question says, three girls Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters. So if this is a center, this is a circle, you have Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. They are on the circle and the radius of the circle is how much? It is 5 meters. So this is 5. If center is O, then OR is 5. Your OM is also 5 and OS is also 5, right? So you have OR is equal to OS is equal to OM, which is equal to 5 radius of the circle. Reshma throws a ball to Salma and Salma throws it to Mandeep. So Reshma will throw a ball to Salma and then Salma will throw the ball to Mandeep and then Mandeep will throw it to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma, this distance, so what is given? RS is equal to 6 meter and Salma and Mandeep, that means SM is equal to 6 meters. So this is 6 meters and this is 6 meters. You have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So you have to find this distance. Okay. So now before starting this sum, let me make you understand one concept which we have already revised earlier. But then I would like to revise it again. Suppose there is 2 points. Suppose there is a line segment AB. And if one point is at equal distance from these two end points, means if this distance is equal, then this point P will lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB. This we have studied the property. If a point is equidistant from the two end points, then it will lie on the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, if there is another point Q which is also equidistant from AQ and AB, suppose this way, so that means Q is also lying on the perpendicular bisector. So if I join PQ, then PQ becomes the perpendicular bisector, because P is also on the perpendicular bisector, Q is also on the perpendicular bisector, so it is a perpendicular bisector. Then this angles become 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and these two distances are equal. Perpendicular bisector means a line segment which is perpendicular to a given segment, a line segment which is perpendicular to a given segment, and it divides the segment into two equal parts. This basic is important to understand before we start the sum. Now, okay, so now let us start on the similar. Can I say in triangle ORM, can I say OR is equal to OM is equal to 5 radius, right? So this distance is equal to this distance. Therefore, can I say O lies on the perpendicular bisector of RM. Let this point be P. Let this point be P. So what does that say? O lies on the perpendicular bisector of RM. Similarly, in triangle RSM, can I say RS is equal to SM is equal to 6. It is given, right? These both are 6. It is given. Therefore, S lies on perpendicular bisector of RM. Now, O and S, O comma S, both lie on perpendicular bisector of RM. Therefore, can I say OS is the perpendicular bisector of RM. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to 90 degree and RP is equal to PM. This is both, you name it as 1. Okay, copy up till here. So we have understood that these both distances are equal and this angle is 90 degrees. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. This much we have understood. Now what I will do, now consider triangle ORS. Okay, so I'll take this triangle, I'll draw the triangle over here. This is OS, this is OR, and this is RS. This is my triangle. This is O, this is R, this is S. From here I have this perpendicular and this is P. This distance is 5, this distance is 6, right? This distance is 5, this distance is 6, and this distance is also 5. This is OS is 5, OR is 5, and RS is 6. So now I am going to use Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. So what is A? A is equal to 5. What is B? B is equal to 5. And what is C? C is equal to 6. So what will be S? S will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So what is the value of S? It is 5 plus 5 plus 6 upon 2. So S is equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 16 upon 2, it will be 8. So what will be area triangle ORS? It will be square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Right? So this becomes square root of S. What is the value of S? S is nothing but 8 into 8 minus A. A. What is A? 5 into 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 6. So this becomes square root of 8 into 3 into 3 into 2. So this is square root of 3 into 3. You can write it as square root of 3 into 3 and 8 into 2. So square root of 16 into square root of 9. So this will become 4 into 3, which is equal to 12 meter square. Okay. So note down up till here. So what is area of triangle ORS? It is 12 meter square. Now I will find the area of this triangle by second method. Again, can I say area triangle ORS is equal to half into base into height, right? So now if this is the height, this is 90 degree is height, so this become base. So half into, what is the base? OS multiply by height. Height is nothing but RP. Easy. Height is nothing but RP. So this is equal to half into OS. What is OS? OS is nothing but 5 multiply by RP. And can I say this area is nothing but 12? Earlier we found out that answer was 12. So therefore RP is equal to 12 into 2 divided by 5. So RP is equal to 12 to the 24 upon 5. 24 upon 5 will be 4.8 meter. Understood? So you got the value of RP. So now, but you want to find the value of RM. So you know RP. So therefore can I say RM is equal to twice RP. You can either say chord bisection theorem, or you can say, we had proved earlier, I can write here chord bisection theorem also, because this is perpendicular and this is the chord, so it divides into two equal parts. Chord bisection theorem. So therefore RM is equal to 2 into 4.8 meter, which is equal to 9.6 meters. Understood? Thank you.